the most famous activity at yung pinakadahilan kung bakit pumupunta dito yung mga tao sa San Juan, La Union. Para mag-surf, syempre. First leg of activities in La Union done. I had so much fun surfing today. Yung sister ko si TV nandun pa, hindi pa siya tapos. Nag-e-enjoy pa siya. Sobrang okay. Sobrang saya ko. Alam ko na kaya sobrang mas recommended talaga mag-rash guard kasi ako like backless. Medyo nahihirapan ako ng conscious ako na mahuhulog siya. But then other than that, I had so much fun. Naiintindihan ko na medyo nakaka-sore siya ng body for mga people na hindi masyadong sanay mag-physical activities. Pasalamat na lang na araw-araw sa buhay ko, mayroon akong physical activity na ginagawa, kaya medyo sanay na yung katawan ko. Basta for beginners na hindi pa masyadong sanay na mapagod, kailangan nyo talaga mag-warm up. Sana, by watching me, sobrang intinding-intindi nyo kung bakit sobrang saya ng sport na to. Sobrang fulfilling niya. Alam ko na kung bakit nakaka-addict to. So, you guys should come here, head on to La Union and try it. Ready na!
Tara, let's ma'am!
Tara, let's! How do you feel, sister?
Super accomplished, pero super fun. As in, sarap.
Sobrang sarap talaga, diba? Right, Tab?
Yeah.
Accomplished. Nakakatakot, but you know, experiencing new things and conquering your fears, especially with your friends.